6 chemical-free ant repellents. Most households will have to deal at some point or another with an invasion of ants in the kitchen or other areas. These tiny insects can be very difficult to get rid of completely, especially inside the home where there are plenty of things that attract them. Food scraps, certain plants, and garbage are factors that can contribute to their constant presence. But if you set aside all the causes of your invasion, you still need to find some kind of product that effectively repels them before they ruin your pantry or garden. Today it seems like it should be simple to go to any store and buy a chemical-laden pesticide. But it's a good idea to be aware that these products can damage your health and negatively affect your environment. That's why in this article we want to share 6 100 natural and chemical-free ant repellents that will warn off ants without exposing you or your home to harmful substances. 1. Lemon. Many people are unaware that something as common as lemon juice can serve as an alternative to chemical repellents. Compounds that contain acids will help ward off ants invading your garden and the interior of your home. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1/2 liter of water, 1 spray bottle. How do you make it? Squeeze the lemon juice and mix it with 1/2 liter of water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to the areas where you see ants concentrating. You can use this several times a day if necessary. 2. Coffee grounds. It's been found that the grounds of coffee left in the filter after you brew your pot still contain many of the original properties. That's why it's no wonder that coffee grounds can be reused as a chemical-free ant repellent. This is thanks to their pungent smell, which bothers and repels insects. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds, 20 grams. 1 liter of water. How do you make it? Mix the coffee grounds and water together and spray this liquid around the affected areas of your home. Use it at least 3 times a week. 3. Mint. Mint, either the leaves or essential oil, is an interesting alternative way to say farewell to your ant problem. That pleasant aroma that we love actually repels ants and keeps them from entering your home. Ingredients: 2 bags of mint tea, 4 grams. Peppermint essential oil, optional. How do you make it? After you've used the tea bags, extract the mint leaves and sprinkle them around entry points to your home. Another option is to spray some essential oil of mint that's been mixed with water. 4. Apple cider vinegar. The smell of vinegar is very strong, and the areas where it's concentrated will be vacated by ants. Be sure to apply it well in regions where they enter and congregate, and in a few hours they'll be history. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 125 milliliters. 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters. 1 spray bottle. How do you make it? Dilute the apple cider vinegar with equal parts water and add it to your spray bottle. Apply this mixture to countertops, the sink, windows, and other places where you have ant invasion problems. Use it every day for the best results. 5. Baking soda and sugar. Sugar is a substance that usually attracts various types of insects. But when it's mixed with baking soda it becomes a lethal combination. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 9 grams. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 10 grams. How do you make it? Mix the baking soda and sugar together in a bowl and sprinkle it around areas where ants enter your home. Use it at least 3 times a week. 6. Cornmeal. Cornmeal has lots of different uses around the house, one of the most curious of which is to repel ants. Don't mix it with any other ingredients, all you need to do is sprinkle it around to keep them at bay. Ingredients: cornmeal, as much as you need. How do you use it? Sprinkle this natural product in areas like your garden, around doorways, and in the corners of the kitchen or pantry. All of the above chemical-free ant repellents can help resolve your ant situation without harming yourself or the environment. Still, they might not always result in the perfect solution, or it could take multiple applications to achieve the desired effect.